Good morning.
Good morning, Veena ji. Good morning, Jug ji.
Nupur ji, what a nice day. What a nice day today. Beautiful sunshine.
मजा आ गया गाने का भी। आपकी बात भी ठीक है, ज्यादा नहीं लगाना चाहिए। गुड मॉर्निंग बोथ ऑफ यू, नाइस बैकग्राउंड।
Good morning.
एंड क्या खा रहे हो आप?
मैं क्या खा रही हूँ? मैं हेल्थ मिक्स खा रही हूँ सुबह सुबह। आप भी खाओ।
को ऐसे शेयर नहीं कर सकते? यहाँ से
ये लो,
ऐसे पकड़ा दो तो हम खा
मैं
लेंगे।
खा रही हूँ। मैं खा रही हूँ रोस्टेड मखाने, रोस्टेड चने with curry leaves, हींग, मूंगफली, काजू, ऑयल फ्री।
यहाँ तक तो टेक्नोलॉजी आ गई है, बट ये टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं हुई कि शेयर
बस हाथ डालो और खा लो।
जूम में ये शिकायत करनी पड़ेगी कि हाकम के देखो कि यहाँ तक कर दिया है, फेस जूम से फेसबुक ले आए, तो हाकम वी कैन शेयर समथिंग।
absolutely.
Now you know they have the 3D printers, right? You can print something, you can sketch it and you can print it.
But I can guarantee you, when my grandkids on drugs, when they are grown up, they will have this.
This probably will be, yeah, it'll be around.
They will be doing all these things.
See, because right now there is a refrigerator that can actually tell you recipes based on what's in your fridge, and it can order your groceries for you.
Really? Yeah, वो तो है, I know.
वो तो आ गया, right? So next step is
नूपुर एंड जग रोबोट भी तो आ गए हैं, घर में सारा काम करने वाले, वो भी तो आ गए ना।
रोबोट तो है, you're right. But I remember the future show Jetsons. If you remember, anybody remember? उसके अंदर रोजी होती थी, वो रोजी was a robot. रोजी used to do all the home. जब वो when the robot did not work, वो टी 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 करते रहते, बच्चे कहते what's wrong, we gotta fix our Rosie. So robot is not a human being.
Also, when I came in this country, I used to see that show before. I love Genie. देखा कभी?
Yes, oh yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Right?
I would love to have Genie. I really
love it. I love to have one of those.
That would be nice, right?
No switch वाली थी नहीं, वो Genie तो bottle से निकलती थी. Then there was a nose twitch वाली, वो भी बड़ी अच्छी थी, ऐसे करो और वो
बहुत खूबसूरत थी Genie, so beautiful.
Yeah.
And she used to come out of there, and they said every week they used to show. I mean, I used to watch that. I love that.
Bottle से निकलती थी ना, that was a really good show.
And another one was good, was Bewitched. Bewitched भी होता था ना?
Bewitched, oh, I was thinking of Bewitched when she got with the nose like this.
Yeah.
And she would clean the whole house.
She was like a witch, but nobody knew. Nobody knew that she was a witch.
I would like to have that.
I would like to have that, somebody cleaning the house constantly.
I know.
Cleaning, cooking, doing everything for you.
Cooking, I'm not afraid of. I hate doing laundry. That's my absolutely hate it. I hate doing laundry and scrubbing the bathrooms. That's like my least two.
I don't like those.
Least favorite.
Bathroom, though, I really don't like. Kitchen and bathroom, मुझे होता है कि spotless. It should be perfect. Those two.
But somebody else should do it.
होना चाहिए perfect, लेकिन करना ना पड़े.
जो maid आती ना, so she spend maximum time in the kitchen and the bathrooms. So बाकी तो तुम handle कर सकते हो. Then living room ये वो तो इतना, but kitchen और bathroom तो, I mean bathrooms we have a lot of them, but the ones that we use a lot, वो कुछ सही होने चाहिए.
But you know something, this holiday season, a lot of people are actually gifting their loved ones a house cleaning service.
Very good idea. Very good idea.
Yeah, very good.
Yep.
Because जग जी अब क्या देखो ये हालात आ गए हैं.
Yes, yes.
सारे रोज कहते हैं restrictions के कम लोग मिलो ये करो, और families में भी restriction हो गई है. अब क्या करो?
I'm really actually very happy that FDA is meeting right now, Veena ji. They're going to be giving us that the news within 2 days the vaccine is coming to New York.
I know.
तो ये तो हमारे लिए गिफ्ट है क्रिसमस की हम सब के लिए.
Yep.
We will start getting the vaccine. In fact, I asked my office yesterday. They said our freezers are ready. They may not be the first one to get it because it's an office, not a hospital. But at least it start. Good news.
And
but in the meantime,
मैंने सुना this morning के FedEx and UPS are working together. The West Coast FedEx is delivering. The East Coast UPS is delivering.
UPS is delivering.
Like so they're delivering all these vaccines. So they buy a couple of days. I think everybody who needs to get it.
Weekend.
Yeah.
City starting weekend. England में तो you heard a 97-year-old got the vaccine first. 97-year-old.
Yes. 92-year-old.
97.
97?
Can you believe this? She was so happy. Margaret, I think her name was Margaret or something.
And she said that everybody should get it. It's great. I feel hopeful that I'll be able to meet with my family in the coming year. So she was very cheerful about it.
Yeah.
England में तो शुरू हो गया ना. The couple of people got some allergies.
Yeah. I think Tuesday.
Some people got some allergies already. I don't know.
Yeah. So we are very excited about this holiday.
Yeah.
But in the meantime, we still have to continue using our Zoom, and we don't have to be a mask.
Zoom, Baba. Zoom, Baba.
Zoom के ऊपर ना, एक मिनट ठहरो नूपुर जी, Zoom के ऊपर हमें मास्क लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है, ये सबसे अच्छी बात है।
अरे किसी की पूरी शक्ल देखे में भी मुद्दत हो गई यार।
हम देख रहे हैं ना एक दूसरे को, but otherwise please mask is still very important, even though vaccine is coming. And the vaccine takes about 10 days to work, so we have to even if the vaccine 10 days.
That doesn't mean that after you get the vaccine you stop wearing the mask.
No, that's exactly, you are absolutely right. That's very important. Yeah,
you still have to wear it because other people don't have it. You might have it, other person doesn't.
Yeah.
तो फिर क्या करो?
Yeah, the cases are still rising in New Jersey, so be careful. चलिए, हम तो अपने देखो अपने आप को सेफ ही रख रहे हैं, अगर कहीं जाते भी हैं तो बड़े सेफली जाते हैं. So we should continue the same.
Yeah, exactly. I think so too.
Yeah. We should not be irresponsible. हमारी अपनी जो खुद की जिम्मेदारी है वो कतई नहीं बदलती है. हमें वो सब करना है जो अपनी प्रोटेक्शन के लिए करना है, और किसी और को भी एक्सपोज नहीं करना. हो सकता है आपने वैक्सीन लगाया, लेकिन जिनके इर्द गिर्द आप जा रहे हो सकता है उन्होंने वैक्सीन ना लगाया हो. इसलिए वो चांस नहीं लेना.
It's for both of us. Yeah, you know, it's for both parties.
Until unless everybody who needs to get it in the country gets it.
Yeah.
We have to keep on doing this.
I think it said by April. It's a long process.
April में, you know, हम थोड़े programs.
But it's a start. So in April we'll have a special Women's Day over there. We have to congratulate Veena first.
At least we'll get the ball. At least the ball is rolling now. Once it comes, then we'll get the ball rolling.
Congratulate Veena first. We have a new LILC program called Women's Day. We are so excited because next week we are ready. Tomorrow we'll do our Friday karaoke from LILC, and then it's called Sangeet Utsav actually. Then next week we are going to do you're coming. You're coming. You have to become a member, my dear.
Oh, you know what, Veena ji sent me the form. I'm going to fill it out right now. I'm going to sit on my computer right now.
Form वो भर देगी. She will fill the form. Just give the money.
Money तो देने के लिए मैं हमेशा तैयार हूँ. पैसे ले लो.
मैंने इनको Nupur is going to be singing a ghazal on.
Yeah, absolutely. वही मैं कह रही ना. You have to be a member.
Member तो form है. She's going to send it back to me.
मनी चाहिए, फॉर्म तो भरते रहेंगे बाद में.
दोनों ले लीजिए.
मनी तो वेनमो कर देगी ना. वेनमो ही चल. आजकल वेनमो का बड़ा झगड़ा मुक गया. ये बहुत अच्छी बात है.
I love Venmo.
This also something new that people are using it more now, right?
Yeah. So well, it's actually a big step towards cashless society.
Very, very good.
And all economies and all governments have used it to their advantage. Because जब एक सोसाइटी कैशलेस हो जाती है तो आपकी फाइनेंशियल प्राइवेसी खत्म हो जाती है.
ये जो है बिटकॉइन, Nupur, this Bitcoin, they're going to be taking over everything soon. Nobody's going to have cash anymore.
You think Bitcoins?
But people are going to be not using cash. They're going to be using all the other things.
Oh, I know what will happen. Only one thing I heard is very important, that if you have too many apps, make sure you have two-step authentication.
Yes.
Because if somebody gets your email, they're going to get your accounts. They're going to get all your emails. Or the important thing that I heard on Channel 4 is if you have ADT or something alarm system, they can disarm your alarm system.
Oh shit.
They can. So because you're on the email with a password. So password se wo aapko disarm kar denge. I was so scared when I heard that. I said,
that's creepy though. Wow.
Yeah.
That's some next level.
People are crazy. People are crazy. So make sure you have two-step authentication. They cannot.
Actually, nowadays, whenever you have an app, they prompt you. Have another authentication though. हमारे पता क्या हुआ है? हमारा alarm है in the house, and for some reason we didn't put it on that. You know, sometimes you're very careful.
Me neither on the email. मुझे तो complicated लगता है सब कुछ.
तो पता नहीं पिछले weekend की बात है. तो my husband is telling me he went in the morning for something. He said, "What? The whole night the garage was open. How come you didn't close it?" I said, "I didn't go yesterday downstairs. It wasn't me. It was you. You went." He said, "No, I didn't go." मैं तो घर से बाहर ही नहीं निकली. How can it be me? So we had a little thing, but that's very bad. सारी रात हमारा garage खुला हुआ था.
Oh my God. अंदर से बंद होगा ना? The door in
But
closed
still,
from
garage
inside.
maybe anybody can come and hide
Yeah.
there, anything.
Still think,
No?
yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely, you're right. You're right.
So,
have to be
also,
careful.
I remember back in the day, I used to have a design studio. When I was doing clothing, I used to have a design studio and I was using somebody's
Oh, yeah, I
basement.
came there for modeling.
Right,
Remember we
yeah.
came to the
Yeah, yeah,
practice?
we had the fashion show rehearsal. So
Yeah,
that
yeah,
thing
yeah,
had a
yeah.
garage entrance,
Yes.
right? And the garage scanner was attached to my visor.
Oh,
So as soon as I went close to the thing, the garage would open.
oh.
And then one day, I heard on the news that, if you have a situation where you have a sensor on your visor in your car for your garage, don't leave anything to do with your home address in your car. Like, don't leave any mail in your car.
I heard that.
Don't leave any. But then, the car registration is always in the car. The address is there. So it's something. These are the things we don't think about.
Small things.
Yeah, because if anybody has access to your car, they can actually go to your house. And
Yeah.
sometimes in the car GPS, you know how you put the destination home?
I know, but these things
नहीं,
are
नहीं, I
not
don't do
So
that.
hard. Like, how much do you keep up with, right?
If you have the पहले वाला GPS होता था ना, अपना घर का address डालो.
Huh.
No, I put a different address. घर के पास किसी और
Good,
near
good.
the house, but not my address. You
Yeah.
understand? Library का डाल दो, library का डाल दो, घर के पास जो है.
देखिए कार की रजिस्ट्रेशन है, कार में कार की बुक है, कार में इसमें
Yeah.
सब कुछ आपका नाम लिखा. So these things are, even though
It's very hard
worry
to
about
control
it,
every single thing, right?
Valet parking, try to avoid. Because I
Acha.
used to have some money in that, like a little change in my thing. Like tolls में दे दो, थोड़ा toll में पैसे. I used to keep a lot of change and some dollars and all. I went to a couple of places. I realized, oh my God, I said, where the hell is the money? Then I have to think, where which valet parking I went. So I tried to avoid parking the car through a valet, but sometimes, what are you going to do? You have to do it. That's the place you have to be very.
Oh, let me tell you one more thing about garage. Since we are talking about garage, this is an incident that happened to me. So I want everybody to know that when you are entering your garage, if you haven't got it serviced for 2 years, with the lock and everything, one day I'm entering the garage and I just go like this, and the garage ka spring loose ho gaya and it fell down. वो तो मेरी friend का phone आ रहा था, तो मैं 1 second के लिए बाहर रुक गई. Can you imagine the garage falling on my car?
I know that.
I still think about that incident, and now I do not enter the garage till the door is all the way up.
Yeah.
So that's something
my,
I thought I
oh
will
my
share with you
God.
guys. Yeah,
My kids
you
told
share
me, Mom, when you open the thing,
Wow.
make sure you are either in or out.
exactly.
Near
This
the
is what
thing.
I meant.
They told me,
Wow.
this is in my head. Not to
But
do
this
it.
happened to me.
That's
That's how I
scary,
know that.
though.
Oh, it is scary. It is very, very scary.
And one more thing, I'm just sharing what happened to me. Is we went to a wedding, and we have an inside door, and we usually lock it. But यहाँ पे हमको इतना safe लगता, the inside door was unlocked. And somehow the garage ka spring loose ho gaya. We came back around 5 hours. The garage door is all the way open. Inside door is open. And I didn't have an alarm at that time.
Wow.
Thank God, nothing happened. But
Rab rakha.
inside door always locked, even if you think you are inside and the garage is closed. So that these
Yeah.
two things I learned.
Yeah.
And you know what happened
Wow.
to me? I went to a party, somebody's award thing in Fox Hollow.
Yeah.
This was 2 or 3 years ago. And I had at that time, now I have a red color car. That time it's black color.
Mm.
yes, ki Mercedes Benz ki choti C series. So that time black color ki thi maine change kariya. Then that time we were there, coming back, valet parking.
Having good time, yeah.
Wait kar rahe hain. And suddenly the valet guy brings
Oh, yeah, you remember that.
black car. I think I told you, black color
Yes.
car. And this woman was standing right because she was also waiting. Oh, मेरी कार में बैठ के चली, मेरी कार लेके,
Huh?
because the keys are there.
I remember that. I
She
remember.
sat in my car and drove.
What?
She took my
Yes.
car and left.
Because the
Shit.
keys,
I'm
the
telling the valet
black
guy,
color
this is
car,
my
you
car.
don't look at it.
I said, this is my car. Call her, get her back. I said, we don't know. Go on. I can't get my car. Then he took me to her car. I said, that's not my car. This is my car. That woman went to her house and everything. Pari kaise usko contact kiya?
Oh, yeah,
I
yeah.
said, did a person realize that you have your personal things?
Yeah, absolutely.
And, even if the car looks the same from outside. But
Yeah. How could she do that? Like I have special
I
things.
was so,
My car is so messy.
You have to
Nobody can
call
take my
the-
car.
cops को बुलाया, cops से पता नहीं कैसे पता किया कौन है, and then they had to contact her. Finally, after 2 hours, then she drove back. And I was so mad, I was going to scream at her. Then the cop told me, no, listen, it's a genuine mistake. Don't see anything. This, that, your car is back. I said, what about the 2 hours I spent over here and all of my aggravation that I'm going through?
Yeah. What the hell?
What about all that? He said, no, just make it friendly. Go. She took the shit.
Keep your car messy. Nobody will take it. Keep things on the seat.
That's a good tip.
Yeah, but
Put your shoes on the car.
अंदर चली गई ना, और चली गई. But she didn't realize कि मेरा सामान पड़ा हुआ है इधर, you know.
I think it was dark, so she probably didn't realize that, you know.
Car भी dark है ना, car is black and
So there is a way that I bless my car, okay? And it might sound very crazy to some people, but होता है ना, like you can send intentions and you can send affirmations. जैसे हम अपनी protection के लिए we pray, we do affirmations. So I always bless my car, and the way
that's nice
that I do it is that whoever needs a ride, I never say no, right? And so when they ask me, नहीं आपके लिए मुश्किल हो जाएगा, आपको दूर पड़ेगा, I'm like, look, if God has blessed me with the car, वो मेरे काम तो आ ही रही है, किसी और के भी काम आनी चाहिए. आप बैठो, steering घुमाना वो मैं घुमा लूंगी, right?
But you're not afraid of
that's
strangers?
one way.
You're not afraid of strangers?
No, not strangers. No, not strangers. अपने ही friend circle में जैसे कोई हो, या you know, we are leaving from a gathering and somebody doesn't have
okay,
car,
that's
you know,
okay.
I'll give you a ride. So that is one way. Yeah, that is one way that I always make sure that there is good energy in the car. Second, मेरी गाड़ी में हमेशा कोई ना कोई शब्द कीर्तन या कोई मंत्र जाप कुछ ना कुछ ऐसे कुछ चलता है थोड़े टाइम के लिए, every day तो चलता ही है.
हमारे कार में गाने लगे रहते हैं.
और दूसरी बात है कि my trunk is completely full, like there is no.
That's me too.
True, mine is also full with so many things.
I think Dr. Kalra gave a good tip.
अपनी कार में तो गाने लगे होते हैं, वीना की कार में भी
that's a good tip. So I bless so whenever I sit in my car, so when I sit in my car, I always say कि you know, मतलब खुशी-खुशी जाना है और खुशी-खुशी आना है. So God protect my car. But also when I see somebody else in a road accident, like you know, आप drive कर रहे हो, साइड में देखते हो कि एम्बुलेंस खड़ी हुई है, फायर ट्रक खड़ा हुआ है, 2-3 कार. I always like very consciously take a minute, and from the depth of my soul, I always pray that, you know, whoever it is, God, please protect them.
That's so nice.
Right? Like we don't know what the calamity is. We don't know the extent of the damage, but we always pray for the people. So I always, you know, pray that angels should be over them.
For everybody.
That if they are children, they should go home to their parents. If they are parents, they should go home to their children.
वो तो है. If you bless others, you get the blessing.
So whenever I see a car accident, I always slow down, and yes, I always say a very sincere
like I
was
out somewhere the other day.
Involved in the accident, you know, it's unfortunate. That's why they're called accidents.
I had gone somewhere 2 weeks ago, and then I was about to leave. Then one lady, I don't know her. Then she comes to me. She said, "Nay, can you drop me to that place and all that?" I said, "Listen, I'm not going that direction. Nini, mujhe drop kar do. I want to go." I felt very bad. But something in the back of my head.
She was a stranger. You can't.
I said something in the back of my. I was going to take it. Then something in my back of my head warned me.
No, you cannot just take random people from the street.
What do your kids tell you? What does your husband tell you? What everybody tells you?
Yes.
Be very careful. I can be very nice. She can come and strangle me and take my.
Absolutely.
Yeah, you cannot do that for strangers. I mean,
you're driving the car. You don't know what anybody can do anything to overpower you. What are you going to do?
Yep. And you are focusing on driving, so you cannot be distracted.
Driving, yes.
I cannot do that.
Yeah.
Never do the stranger, even if you feel bad for the kids.
Something else very strange happened to me. My grandkids, when they were very small, Maya and Audrey, they came to stay my weekend with my daughter, and then घर जा रहे थे अपनी उसकी car में, my Pam की car. So she comes and say goodbye. She put the car on. She put the kids because they were small. They were in the. I mean, every seat में बैठते हैं. They have to put the kids seat, the child seat to protect.
Yeah.
Somehow she put the car on. She left the key inside and she closed the door. The car was going on. The kids were inside. अब कैसे उसको बंद करो? The car is going on. The kids are in there. We didn't know what to do.
The car started moving.
No. Park में होगी ना, पर चल रही थी कार.
The kids are in there. There's no way of going in and stopping the car or do anything. Car is going on. We got so panicked. We don't know what to do. Then we called the cops. The cops came in too. Yeah, they said, I said, we don't know what to do. We tried everything.
Yeah.
And like those things are useless.
Yeah.
So, especially when you don't know all this, you know how to do.
Yeah.
The cops came and in 1 minute they stopped it. My God, like our heart was
I know, it's very scary. Very scary when the kids are in the car and you get so nervous.
I have a friend whose neighbor.
You couldn't believe it. They were not crying anything, but हम डर रहे थे ना.
हम डर गए ना, हाँ. True.
And you get so nervous, you don't know what to do.
Scary.
I have a friend who was reversing her car, and her own baby was in the back of the car. और उस जमाने में I think वो कैमरा नहीं होता था.
Oh my God.
And the baby got crushed by his own mother.
Yeah, I heard something like that.
It was so traumatizing, you know.
Yeah, I know. That was something that happened in the driveway.
I heard of the driveway.
Yes.
But how is she now? When was that? Nupur, how many years ago?
This was at least a good like 11 or 12 years ago in California.
I would say, is it the same incident? So driveway में बच्चा आके माँ को हाई करने के लिए. It was about 10 years. So that was
California. Yeah. So she was my student's neighbor.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's so sad.
You can never get over that.
So how is she now? After 10 years?
Yeah,
I mean, she has another kid too, but it's very traumatic. You know, for many years she did not want to drive. She didn't want us to get in the car anymore. It was very traumatic.
Yeah, this is some famous guy, famous football player or something. 2 years ago, the 2-year-old kid. Same thing happened. 2 years. This is about 2.5 years ago.
Yeah.
So same thing. 2 साल का बच्चा था or something very small. By chance, he got crushed by the parents. And now she has another baby.
Incidents तो होते रहते हैं. We just have to learn and do our best. वो जो twins को कार में रखे.
Even in the Vision Zero program.
Yeah.
In the Vision Zero program that they have with the New York City Department of Public Safety or whatever it is, and then combining it with the traffic enforcement. So when you actually make the turn on a crosswalk, there's sometimes the people have pets on a leash that you cannot see. They're so tiny and they're so below your eye level. It's very hard to see that there's a little pet that's walking along. It's really complicated sometimes. Whenever I see somebody on a leash or somebody with a kid, I stop like way before them and I say,
driving.
I don't even want to be near.
आपने भी देखा होगा when you're driving in the evening, it's dark now. People are jogging in such a narrow place. Oh my God!
Yeah,
I know. Driving is very serious responsibility. You have to be.
Yeah, they're running and jogging on the side of the road, and you're driving the car, and it's dark.
Yeah,
so scary.
So far, we have been very careful. We have been very, lucky. That way, we have to thank God and thank ourselves for defensive driving because we're watching out for ourselves and the others.
No, my driveway I have to back out, right? Back out in the. Community में back out करना पड़ता है. So I like stop at 10. I like look around. ये वो सब करती हूँ. तो पीछे तो नहीं मैं nobody's coming. This that I try to be very careful. But because the small kids, like you said, sometimes you can't see them coming and they run in front. Or dog is coming. God, most of them are in leash. But even then, it's scary. Yeah. Very very scary. So these things,
कार की आप बातें कर रहे हो तो मैं फिर एक और इंसिडेंट सुनाती हूँ. रियल दिस इज हैपेंड विद मी. We didn't have all these cars stopping for the school kids or crossways. Long time ago, you are driving, I'm driving in Flushing, and the school की बस खड़ी. There were no laws like that कि school बस खड़ी है तो आपने खड़े होना. तो before I realized, the kid I'm driving ran right across my car.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. I stopped like this and I sat there for 15 minutes.
That's scary.
Shocked. Thank God nothing happened. Jaan nikal gayi. So, the kids are ऐसे करके भागते हैं ना. There were no laws, there were no stop in the bus or anything. And you think the parents should be responsible for the
kids. Yeah.
Oh my God. You know what? I just got some really sad news. Very bad news.
What?
One of my best friends, you can call her my sister, Homera. She just left for Canada. Her mother is very, very, very sick in Canada. अभी सुबह 6 बजे की फ्लाइट लेके गई है, वहाँ पे पहुंची है. As soon as she arrived, her mother passed away. My God. So upset.
Oh my God, that is so sad. The mothers, Oh, yeah.
For a long time. Oh my God, I can't now.
And she went to travel there because of this.
मैंने उसको कल बोला, how come you're delaying? Hurry up and go.
Yeah. Yeah.
So finally she said
Yeah.
6 o'clock I'm going. Then she texted me, मैं जा रही हूँ. मैं कहा जाके मुझे सारे हालात let me know how she doing.
Yeah.
So now she just texted me. मैं कहा text किसका आ रहा है?
Oh.
Very bad.
Life is very precious. We gotta do our best. Keep our health.
Holiday time आ रहा है ना.
Rest in
But
peace.
this doesn't mean everything. Everybody's hunky
Yeah.
dory. You know, like
I
in the
know.
world, that's not the way it is. You know.
Holidays are depressing too.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what I'm saying. And now, I call her my sister because we talk to each other like 10 times in a
Yeah.
day.
Every day. Yeah.
Texting, I mean, every day text, at least 10
Yeah.
times. I'm not
Yeah.
joking. Text करेगी या बात करेगी, you know, something like that. We always. Oh my God, it's really bad. अभी मैं उसको phone करूँगी.
Yeah, like you said, the
Sad
holidays
indeed.
are depressing because especially this year when you can meet your family, you can meet your
I know,
friends.
I know.
I cannot visit my grandkids. Usually I go every year for Christmas because
That's
they
the
put up
thing.
a huge tree and it's so nice. So क्या करें ना, पर हम friends जो हैं on the Zoom,
Where do
let's
they live,
rock it.
Jagji? Where do your grandkids live?
Are there in Dallas? Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. तो मैं तो हर साल ही जाती हूँ Christmas time, New Year time. I go every 2-3 months. This year, look,
I know.
Zoom पे मिले, face
Sad. I mean, it is what it is. You know, what are you gonna do?
आपने कभी देखा था program Dallas?
Oh my God! My favorite
That's
program
Zabardast.
once a week.
My
JR.
God, what a suspense they had. When
I
they
went
had
to see the house. I went to see the Dallas house over there.
I know, Mary Dave, I also saw
Yeah.
it. But I'm just saying that suspense that they had. Who killed?
Yes, JR. Who killed JR?
3 months was not finished after September.
Oh my
Only
God! It
everybody
was
guessing
really-
क्या हुआ, क्या नहीं हुआ,
it
you
was
know?
one of the best show. I'm trying to think of all the characters. Lucy एक होती थी young girl.
Yeah.
She was always in the barnyard making
yeah.
making up
And,
with the boyfriend.
That guy, जो छोटा भाई था उसका, उसकी बीवी,
Yes.
Victoria,
Yeah.
principal.
Pam, I think. Pam.
Yeah, Pam, but उसका real name Victoria, principal. Yeah.
Oh yeah, right. Pam. Yes. But if
Larry Hagman was too good. No?
yeah, they had a big ranch. You know वो ranch अभी देखा? अब तो बिल्कुल पुराना सा लगता है because it's an old house and Dallas is a new city.
Yeah. Now
Everything brand new. The roads are like so cemented. They're not roads like us. There are no trees over there. Small trees. It looks like you're in Disney. It's beautiful. Very nice. But that Dallas thing is old.
Dallas
It's
is-
interesting.
that is like a, like
Yeah.
you said, like it's like a big farm type of a place.
Yes. Entrance ऊपर लिखा fourth ranch. Enter करे, मैंने कहा ये तो Dallas home लग रहा है. कहते yeah, that's what it is. They made it a historical preserve.
Right?
So it's like a catering place. It's like people do shows there, concert. They were having a concert there.
I liked his wife also. Dallas की जो क्या Larry Hagman की जो
क्या
wife,
नाम था उसका? सोचना पड़ेगा. Next time we'll Google it out because that was my favorite show too. Dynasty and Dallas.
yeah,
Dynasty too.
also. Dynasty also.
Dynasty was also where Charlie's Angel का
What's
वो
his
था.
name? OJ क्या नाम था उसका? Larry Hagman का नाम क्या था?
JR.
JR. She's
JR.
I think I forgot her name, but she was good too.
Yeah.
His wife.
He died of liver cancer.
Yeah, he died.
He even had a liver transplant. He drank a lot on the show and off the show too. Nupur हंस रही है. Nupur कहेगी ये कौन सी पुरानी बातें कर रहे हैं.
His wife was also drinking and he was having affairs all the
Listen,
time.
I don't drink. I married a man who doesn't drink. So I mean, we have bottles of scotch in our house, but there's like a whole case of wine. There's a bottle of scotch. We sell booze in the restaurant, but we just don't drink. So it's like
You
okay,
don't drink at all? You don't drink wine even? Okay.
nothing at all.
Okay, that's all.
Not
right.
even
That's
a
good.
champagne.
Oh, really? Okay, तो celebrate कैसे करते हो? Coke से?
No, but you know the funny thing is when I was growing up, I used to make my father's drinks for him and I used to taste them to see कि
Really?
सही है कि नहीं है. Yeah. So just to make sure कि पानी का और whiskey का proportion सही है, मैं हमेशा taste करके उनको देती थी.
अच्छा.
देखो जरा.
But I just never developed.
Try on the rocks now.
No, I never.
Try on the
My
rocks.
father used to drink casually, not a heavy drinker or anything. And
Yeah.
my husband likes a drink. My brother is not much of a drinker. I mean, when I was younger, I used to drink beer, kabhi pili, kabhi garmi, you know, like, because I was in Kuwait, it was very,
Yeah.
very hot. So just my
Yeah,
dad,
yeah.
my brother, three of us used to share a beer. I said, chalo, garmi hai, pee lo. But when I came to this country, then somehow I said, this मेरे को नहीं suit करती है चीजें. So I
Yeah.
stopped.
Beer
Yeah,
is a
somehow
very
it
quiet
doesn't
place.
do anything for me. Like, you know, like होता है ना कि आपको
That's okay. It's not that I'm not allowed, but what happened?
It's more for a fashionable.
It's
saying that you're streaming on Facebook.
Yeah. Anyway, so the thing is, it doesn't really do too much for me. Also, I don't really feel. What do you get out of it? I don't know. So I really don't know.
You
And
know,
my-
holding the glass, to me, holding the glass, I may put apple juice in that, but everybody thinks
No,
that
that's
it's just
different thing.
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
Yes.
Holding a glass and, you know, like being all fancy schmancy,
Wine-
that's always
wine
fun,
glass,
but
champagne
I
glass.
don't really
you
enjoy
know.
the taste or the smell of
Yeah,
it.
Exactly.
What
Exactly.
happened to our friends today? I can't
But
see
oh,
anyone.
I'll tell you this really nice drink that only comes out during the holiday season, and it's Canada Dry's version of a cranberry ginger ale.
Oh,
That sounds good.
Oh my God, it is so good, so
I think I have
good.
to try that.
It's literally
cranberry
Canada
ginger.
Dry, but
No, but
it's
that's what I
pink in
drink.
color. So it's like a
Super.
cranberry.
Nupur. Veena kuch
That's what I
keh rahi hai.
drink. When I go to a party, I take cranberry with seltzer.
Ah.
That's what everybody thinks I'm
And
having.
what do I
Yeah.
take? I take gin and
No,
cran.
so Canada Dry ginger ale does a ginger ale version with cranberry. It's so good. And it only comes out during the holidays. You have to try it. It's so
All
good.
right, we will. But cran and gin is very
Pakka
tasty
try
too.
karna. It's very good. So a little bit of ginger ale, and then it has just the right amount of cranberry juice in it. It's
Okay.
really
Okay,
nice.
very
And it's
good.
bubbly
Alright.
and sparkly.
We can make it
Really good.
ourselves then. We can make it at
I
home.
mean, yeah, of course.
Yeah, sure.
Of course.
No,
Yeah. So what were you saying, Veena? You were saying something?
मैं ये कह रही थी कि when I go to a party, when I go there, I just tell them to give me cranberry with seltzer. The whole evening I'm drinking that. That's all I drink.
It's a good drink.
Yeah.
Very
That's
good.
cool.
Sometimes I
That's a
put,
good combination.
Or mojito. I like mojito, but
Mojito,
version
Yeah.
Russian mojito. See, it's good
Okay,
because
I'll
it
tell
has
you a trick. I'll tell you a trick for mojitos if you're trying to make mojitos at home, right?
Yeah, I want to make.
तो सबसे पहले तो आपने थोड़ा लेमन जूस लेना है, फ्रेश मिंट के पत्ते लेने हैं, right?
Yeah.
And you're going to take your sugar or grenadine syrup or whatever the sweetener, simple syrup जो भी आप यूज करें, उसको आपने मिक्सी में ब्लिट्स किया. उसके बाद लास्ट में आपको पता है क्या डालना है? You know the Altoid mint?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
Yeah.
The one like the really strong mint that comes in a box.
Yeah.
India में वो पोलो मिलती है, you know the polo mint.
Okay.
No,
You're
no,
going to
we know
take one
all
of
that,
those and stick that in your blender.
Oh. Mm.
And you're going to pulse that.
Okay.
That mint thing, like it really hits you. And then if you have lime oil, not lime juice, लेकिन lime का जो oil होता है, so there's a brand called doTERRA, जो edible oils नहीं मिलते, उसमें आप lemon का या lime का जो oil होता है, उसके एक drop डालो. It will really take your drink to the next level because when you drink it, सबसे पहले glass में आपका नाक जाता है, right? मुंह तो बाद में जाता है ना? So it's like, I mean, yeah, it's creepy, but it's a fact, right? It's so like it takes over your senses and it really wakes you up. It's a really good fix. And if you like a little bit of scratch in your throat when you drink something, then put a hint of white pepper powder in your mojito.
White pepper powder
Just
लाना
a-
पड़ेगा.
White pepper, just a
All
little
right, will
pinch
do.
of it.
Okay,
So जब
Veena,
आप
what
उसको
else?
पियोगे ना, it
Yeah.
goes down.
Our time is running out. Veena,
know,
quickly,
I
what
know.
else?
Listen, हम कहाँ से कहाँ पहुँच गए? हमने तो शुरू किया था खाने के लिए.
I know.
में आएंगे. So this is what happens when we all talk because we like to talk to each other.
Yes,
And मजा आता
yes,
है. You know, like sharing things and all that.
yes,
So I don't know
safety.
what happened to my friend. They all disappeared today. You know what they're
Oh,
doing?
they're busy starting holiday season.
Holiday season. We're going to share the program, so they'll come
Yeah.
back. Bobby, don't forget to share.
Yeah,
Nupur,
definitely.
share करना.
I share to so
हाँ.
many people. India
Yeah,
में
yes.
share कर देती हूँ, वो उनको अच्छा लगता है. They like it.
they like it. So
Yeah.
what we'll do is we'll be back tomorrow. Please जल्दी करना 10:30 जरूर आना. तो अभी
Weather. Today is a
oh,
beautiful
yeah,
sunshine.
weather अच्छा
We're gonna
weather.
go for a walk.
Yeah, we're going for a walk. Yeah,
Yeah.
we are going
Yeah.
for a walk later on. If you join करना Nupur, you can join us if you want. I can send you the
I'm
details.
going for a hair trim.
Oh, good.
Well, I'm going for a trim and then my cleaning lady's gonna come from 2 to 6, so I'm gonna be tied up with her.
Very nice. चलिए ये दिल दिया गल्ला so
But yeah,
important. उसके लिए एक गाना है. हम जब चले तो ये जहान झूमे. हम जब चले तो ये जहान झूमे. आरज़ू हमारी आसमां को चूमे. हम जब चले तो तीन, आज के 3 लोग चल रहे हैं, चलते रहो चलते रहो।
आप कहाँ जा रहे हो वॉक पे, ये तो बताओ।
अब ये वीना
पहले
जी
ये बताओ
बताएंगे
वॉक पे कहाँ जा रहे हो?
ज्योति जी ने जगह चुनी है, इट्स कॉल्ड द मॉर्गन मेमोरियल पार्क इन Glenwood.
Nice,
Glenwood.
very creative. Jyoti ji also comes up with a lot of nice places.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, she is
Very
always.
cool.
वो जो लाइट देखने गई है ना जोन्स बीच में,
I know.
we have to go. I
saw
hope
that- I
we'll
saw
find
that.
out.
There's a 2 hour, I checked, there's a 2 hour waiting. I was thinking of doing that this weekend with my friends.
2
There's
weeks
at least
waiting.
2 to 2.5 hours of waiting. It's like, so we just changed our mind. We're like, no,
Line
forget
में
it.
wait करनी पड़ती है ना.
I'm just
Right.
gonna go to the city.
But car में, you're
drive
in the
to the
car
city and
though.
that's it.
You're in the car.
But
You're
if
in the
you-
Yeah, but
car,
still,
it's
like, who
okay.
wants to?
Really?
So for us, it's 1 hour की drive है. उसके बाद 3 घंटे अगर wait करना पड़ गया तो,
ये तो है.
you know.
कार में अगर if you have a good company फिर तो ठीक है. अगर हस्बैंड
थोड़ा सा उतर के देखने को
हाँ,
दिल
बात
तो
करो.
करता है ब्रिज वगैरह को ना.
Yeah. So we actually changed our mind. We're not going to do that. We might just go into the city, all 5 of us friends. We're going to go in one car. We're going to go in the city. We'll drive through Fifth Avenue, and then maybe we'll go to my restaurant and eat there, and then come home. That's it.
You're allowed to stop there to see the tree for 5-10 minutes, I heard.
Yeah.
And take pictures.
I'll
Only
be sitting in the
pictures.
car because I really like to see it from a distance,
Yeah.
but I don't like to necessarily get down.
Yeah,
So they
all
can
the
go and take
angels.
pictures or
used to go there every year, walk around, सारा
Yeah, it was so
I
much
know,
fun.
right?
lunch group used to go and have lunch there.
Hopefully next year we can all go there. We'll all go
Yeah.
take a
Like
limousine
even
like we did
stores,
once.
Bloomingdales and all, बिल्कुल खाली पड़े हुए हैं. It's just crazy.
It's very sad.
पिंकी
Yeah.
के साथ आते थे ना, पिंकी के साथ.
Yeah, sad.
मेरी वीडियो बंद हो गई यहाँ पे. पता नहीं क्या हुआ.
हाँ.
Frozen.
अरे
I'm frozen now.
हमें तो आप दिख रहे हो.
Frozen मेरी शक्ल
Okay,
frozen
चलो
है.
बाय बाय करते हैं फिर.
Bye bye का time हो
Okay,
गया.
so with that, न जा कहीं अब न जा
नहीं जाते.
दिल के सिवा है यही दिल पूछा तेरा है मेरे हमदम मेरे दोस्त न जा, लेकिन जाना तो पड़ेगा.
जाना पड़ेगा, काम बहुत है घर के काम.
तो अब चलते हैं. कहाँ जाना है?
Okay.
नहीं रहना है अभी.
Thank you so
घर
much.
आएंगे दिल दिए गला
Thank
जाके
you.
आएंगे ना. We'll go and
Gopal, I
come.
will catch, you know, for what and for what, right? All these things. I have to ask
Yeah.
you again and again, but confirm the app next Wednesday के लिए.
Yeah.
वो तो मैंने confirm उसके भी बात and form जो है मिल गया तो ठीक है, नहीं तो मैं दोबारा भेजती हूँ आपको.
Yeah, you know what? Money first.
Yeah,
send
I'm
कर
gonna.
दो. Yeah. Mhm.
Yeah. So what? I should just Venmo Veena ji the amount? How does it work?
Actually, Veena, check with Pinky. Yeah, it has to say LILC, so she can give you
NILC,
personal.
I think, has their own Venmo account, right?
No, she can send it to me. I'll give it to Pinky. That's
Ah,
all.
so you will put a check LILC on top. That's
Okay,
fine.
cool.
Yeah, that's fine.
You can mail it to them. Also,
All
Pinky.
right, you got it.
Pinky got that. चलो ठीक है. अभी
Okay.
I'll let you.
You sent it in my Queen's Curry Kitchen, or you sent it at the MSN one?
What you told me yesterday, ना MSN में मैं दोबारा भेजती हूँ. I'll send it to you
Okay.
again.
Okay. So then I'll be
I'll
able
send
to
you
open it.
before,
Okay, no
हाँ.
problem.
I'll send it to you again.
Okay.
Okay, so bye everybody. Bye. friends.
Bye. It was nice to see you.
See you tomorrow.
Yes.
Bye.
Have a
Veena,
lovely
bye,
weekend.
Nico.
I will see you soon.
Yes. अरे वीकेंड
Bye.
का अभी तो बहुत काम है
Bye-bye.
हम लोगों को. वीकेंड कहाँ से आ गया अभी? We have so
अच्छा,
many
उससे
things to
पहले
do.
मिलने की ख्वाहिश है.
इनके लिए
बिल्कुल.
Okay.
I know.
So I'll see you when I see you. ऐसे बोलना चाहिए फिर.
Oh, yes.
We'll see you
Good
next
idea.
Thursday. Yeah.
Bye. Take care. Have a great day and
Bye.
enjoy your walk out there.
Whosoever did
Bye-bye.
not come today, bye. Have a nice day.
I know. I don't know why. पता नहीं क्या हुआ है.
Maybe there's an entry. They had a problem. Maybe they had a problem entering.
I have no idea. अभी पता चलेगा. मैं अभी पढ़ती हूँ comment.